G'day, VDubbed here, and how you doing? Today's video is a bit different. We're starting on a new project, and it's a 71 Deluxe VW bus, which my dad bought brand new and has been in our family ever since. In 1971, my father went into a Volkswagen dealer and got some brochures on a Kombi. And you can see the price there, 2,782 Rand. This was in South Africa at the time. And he was obviously interested in the microbus, and this was one of the brochures, the original brochures that my father got. Some of the technical specs. The other brochure he got was just on the vehicles. Panel van, the high roof panel van, the VW Kombi, and you can see at the time the standard Kombi, another standard, and the Deluxe, $2,578. There's also the VW pickup and the double cab pickup. These were the brochures at the time. Technical specs on the back. On the 15th of the 9th, our dad bought a brand new Deluxe microbus Deluxe for 2,584 Rand 31 cents. Here's the original invoice for the vehicle. Then, on the 16th of September, there was his delivery notice, printed out and ready to pick up the vehicle. With that was also a battery guarantee for 18 months, also dated 16 September 1971. And that was the day my dad purchased our VW bus, a microbus Deluxe. So this photo is in 1972. And this is a photo of my mom, my three sisters, and myself there in the pram. And this was on the side of the road on the way from Johannesburg to Cape Town, which was our annual trip down to the coast. My parents were originally from Cape Town and moved up to Johannesburg. And every year we used to go down to Cape Town on holidays to have Christmas with the family. So you can see the car's brand new, you can see the shine on it. And yeah, these were the trips that were made. This shot is, again, that same trip. I think this might be coming back. And just stopping on the side of the road for a picnic lunch. You can see the water bag on the aerial on the front, just to cool the water in the wind. Those old canvas bags. You can see the car still shiny, brand new. We also had a flip-top caravan and used to do a lot of caravan trips. and the Kombi was used to pull the caravan and take the family on all the holidays. So just a shot crossing a bridge. Again, another rest stop. We're just taking a break from the trip. If you look in the background there, you'll see there's another Kombi actually. Looks like the same year model as well. Also a low light. This shot is, I think we're in about 1975 now. And this is the Kruger Park. So just again, family holiday. You can still see the shine on the front of the car, still new. Again, stopping for a lunch somewhere on the side of the road. So these are the family trips, my mom, my three sisters and myself in the front here. And once again, just traveling to visit different places in South Africa. Stopped near a tunnel to take a photo. In the early 90s, I was a uni student, and by then the microbus was an old car that was rarely used, and fortunately my parents kept it, and they had a holiday house at the Vaal Dam, which is a dam close by, and so I thought we could take it there and use it to put the boat in and out. And to make that easier, I found an old bull bar from a ute and welded it up so that it would fit on the front. And you can see here at the back, I've fitted a tow bar to it, or rebuilt the tow bar, and I've actually put some air scoops on the side to help the car with cooling because it had a tendency to overheat. The colour of the vehicle was Sahara sands, and I wasn't a big fan of that. It looked a bit sharky to me, a mixture between shit and khaki. But so I thought, well, why not repaint it? So I painted all the features in a bright pink colour, and I painted the rest of the car in a turquoise blue. And the paint scheme actually came from a t-shirt that I had, which I quite liked. It was a Miami t-shirt with the turquoise blue and the bright pink. So it wasn't to travel on roads, it was really just used to take skis and life jackets and things down to the water and take the boat in and out. You can see I removed the doors just for easy access of jumping in and out. The vehicle was also used for teaching nieces and nephews to drive, which was quite a lot of fun, and due to the low first gear, that was actually ideal for teaching young people to drive. As I said before, the car was used to take stuff up and down from the house to the water, and here the guy's actually taking a barbecue down to the water. It was also useful just in the evenings to go down and sit at the water to have sundowners and drinks. And we weren't travelling far. The vehicle wasn't really roadworthy, but it was really just from the water, probably about a few hundred meters, just to carry chairs, barbecues. You can see in the vehicle there is an anchor made out of two old brake drums, and so it was just really an easy way to cart all our gear from the house up and down to the water. Alright, thanks for watching, take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.